Hi everyone! Welcome to English Space. Let's learn real English together. Today, I'll show you my daily routine. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use them with confidence. Let's get started. My alarm is ringing. I turn it off and start my day. I make my bed every morning. It helps me start my day. I brush my teeth after I wake up. I get dressed and comb my hair. I make breakfast in the morning. I drink my coffee and check my messages. I wait for the bus. I check the time on my phone. I get on the bus. I tap my card. I am at work. I do my job every day and learn new things. I have lunch at a cafe. I eat something healthy. It gives me energy for the rest of the day. I finish my work. I pack my things and leave the office. In the evening, I relax and read a book. I hope you found today's lesson helpful. Practice these sentences every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!